The first layer is not activated by the magnet for opacity. The second layer is activated by making back and forth motions around the nail. Now it's time for the swirls. Move the tool above the nail and make your swirl design. You couldn't see the design as much as I wanted, so I went in with a black polish as the base color. I'm using a silver cat eye hoping it'll be more visible. The swirls weren't looking right, so I tried again. The swirl came out worse than the last one, lol. I tried out a different cat eye hoping it'll come out better. This one came out way better, look at her. I touched up the sides, making sure the swirl was defined. This would be perfect for a Coraline set. Let me know what you'd like me to try next.